Hello to all the traders and investors, and a very warm welcome to your own channel, Trading Guru. Today, we're going to go ahead and talk about the wild swings that the market showed, a lot of ups and a lot of downs for 15th of April, and also go ahead and plan 5 intraday stocks for tomorrow. So, let's begin. Sponsors for this video are these amazing JBL Signature Sound Power Bass earbuds. If you want to buy them from Amazon, the link is in the description box. Do go ahead and buy. Okay, so this is the update on Dow futures, and if you see, it's going upwards and it has not seen any down movement at all. The primary reason behind that is because the US treasury yield bond yield of 10 years is started falling down. The reason why for some time back the markets were falling in India, now the US treasury yield bond returns have started falling down. That's the reason you can see that the US markets are showing in positive. Even there are a lot of results which big companies have announced in US which were highly above the estimate, which is moving the stocks on the upside. And this is going to be a very big positive for the Indian stocks as well, and I'm pretty confident that tomorrow we will again see this bull run, the rally moving towards the green in Indian markets as well. Talking about Nifty in the second session, if you see, it has gone up from that level of 14,560 to about 14,633. So again, a positive move shown by SGX Nifty, which can show up as a positive indicator for tomorrow's Indian market. Talking about Nifty 50 on 15 minutes chart, if you see, these lines as mentioned are 15, 50, 100 and 200 moving average. The green one is the 15. So you can see it is in a bullish territory. It was trading below the yellow line, that's the 200 moving average, and also below the 100, that is the blue line. So if you see, it has covered and it has moved up the 100 moving average, which is a big positive to close, and it is just taking some resistance at that 200 moving average. Anything about that is going to be really bullish for the Indian markets. I do not see any bearish news in the market at the moment, excluding the increasing COVID cases. So let's hope for the best for tomorrow on Nifty. Talking about one day chart on Nifty, again, amazing candle. If you see this candle right here, the one day candle, it clearly says that there is enough support at the lower levels, which is pushing the market upside, and it's a really bullish candle which can take Nifty above that green line tomorrow. So it's important that we go ahead and understand the levels here. I think 14,750 is going to be a crucial level to be broken. If it breaks that level on one day charts, then you can expect it to move further towards 15,000 levels as well. With all the negative news being passed, and in future we just see positive things coming up. Yes, you will see some profit booking in a lot of stocks after the results are announced, but again, for that we will have to go to Banknifty and discuss this in further. Talking about Banknifty, yes, HDFC Bank, one of the biggest heavyweights, is going to go ahead and announce their results in a couple of days. But the stock has not moved that much for it to go ahead and show some profit bookings at the moment. So for me, it's going to be a muted difference between the pre results and the post result signs on HDFC Bank, which will also be seen on Nifty Bank. So again, a bullish candle on Nifty, which is Nifty Bank, which is really good. It is just cruising above this 100 moving average, and that is on one day charts, which is a big positive. Any further movement, the first hurdle is going to be 32,800 levels and then 33,480 levels. So those are the two levels which we have to go ahead and make a note about and look into it. Anything about that is going to be a really bull run for Nifty Bank as well. Nifty Bank on 15 minutes chart is again extremely bullish, just closing near to the 200 moving average. Tomorrow I'm expecting it to be a gap up opening and moving towards that 33,000 level. I think tomorrow we might go ahead and see Nifty bank testing those 32,500 levels at least once. So that is a tip for you for tomorrow. At the bottom, the support levels are at 31,936, followed by 31,807 and 31,708 on 15-minute chart. So these were our 5 intraday picks for the 15th of April. On your screen, we have 4 trades which hit our target on the buy side and 1 trade that was a JFW on the sell side which did not hit our target but hit our stop loss. So all in all, you must have made about 1.5% profit on intraday. If you have a limit of about 10x of margin, that is as good as 15% profits on your investments. Looking into the top 5 gainers for the day, TCS has again shown a positive sign of 3.7%. It might have shown some profit booking yesterday, but today it is really strong. Cipla moving strong at 914.2 with 3.28% of gains. ONGC again showing some short covering with 3% of gains. Wipro 2.8% of gains. Adani Ports gaining about 2.64% right there. Talking about the top 5 losers, Eicher Motor falling about 3.26, Grasim falling about 3.09, Infosys profit booking seen as mentioned in the Q4 and quarterly result analysis video that we have uploaded it. If you have not seen it, go ahead and check it to understand that how to go ahead and understand if the stock is going to fall down after the results or not. Maruti Suzuki, a profit booking again of 2.52. IndusInd Bank, a profit booking of about 2.17%. Let's understand which are the top 5 intraday picks for tomorrow. The top 5 easy money intraday picks for 16th of April. Cipla, you can buy about 924.9, sell below 907.2. Adani Port, you can buy about 754.4 and sell below 738.4. UPL, you can buy about 612.1 and sell below 601. ITC, you can buy about 207.6 and sell below 206. Bajaj Finance, you can go ahead and buy about 4691 and sell below 4584. So if you are a regular visitor about on our videos, you must have seen that we are delivering about 76% accuracy on our intraday picks. So do not miss out on this. Do subscribe to our channel if you have not done that, because that is one of those motivations which goes ahead and gives us that zeal to give you better numbers, better information about stock market in future. That is it from my side. Thank you so much for being a lovely audience. You have a great day ahead.